Come make these homemade St. Patrick's Day cookies with me. Just kidding. We're going to start to make our cookies, so we want to preheat the oven to 350. First step, we're going to cream the butter and sugar together. In a separate bowl, combine the baking powder, baking soda, and salt along with the flour. Until fully combined. So the house that we're in doesn't have a hand mixer, so we kind of had to do that by ourselves. Pro tip, make sure your house has a hand mixer. Next, we're going to add 2 eggs. Then combine. Next, we combine the wet and dry mixtures. The trick is to add a little bit at a time. When you do it this way, it's pretty good not to have arm day beforehand. Making cookies is pretty relaxing. It's a lot of fun. Basically, just think about cooking and not anything else. We're going to use 1 cup chopped Andes. We're going to put in 20 drops of this green food dye. That's going to give us a nice green color. Next, we're adding in the cup of Andes. We're also going to have a cup of chocolate chips. It's a lot of chocolate. It's going to be delicious. Then we're going to put about a tablespoon of dough, and these should make nice circles. We're going to bake these in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Don't those look good? Here's our homemade St. Patrick's Day cookies. They're still warm, they look delicious. Those are good, a lot of chocolate. I didn't think there was going to be enough butter in there, but they're nice and moist and they're delicious. Full recipe in the comments below. What's your favorite St. Patrick's Day treat? Comment below. Come make these homemade chocolate chip St. Patrick's Day cookies with me. Here we go.
Okay, go ahead.
Got it. First step, we're going to cream the butter and sugar together.
You have the flour, you have the flour.
Oh. So we could do one of those things where we start it and then somebody else can finish this. Keep on creaming this. The magic.
You need that. Chill. You're doing it. It's doing amazing. I don't know what's funny.
Pro tip, get a hand mixer or someone else.
Yeah, I'm the hand mixer. The walking hand mixer and the walking dishwasher. Okay.
Peel 4, eat 1. It's actually 5.
I feel like someone's gonna make a comment about that. It's like 20 drops and just squirted it all over.
Well, gonna go 1, 2. You gotta kid me.
Yeah.
3 hours later, it's combined.
Perfect. That's great.